Subscribe to the Advanced Unboxer channel and watch all latest technology videos by pressing the bell icon. Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to the another interesting video on my channel. In this video we are going to talk about the iPhone SE2. So keep watching this video. My name is Hamza Mukhtar. You are watching Advanced Unboxer. So let's get started. The iPhone SE has been very appreciated by users who prefer a 4-inch device instead of a large model, which are considered flagships in their line. The handset was released approximately 2 years ago and came with specs similar to the iPhone 6s. Even if the smartphone was considered a modern piece of Apple's collection, there is still room for improvement. Since users asked for an improved version of SE, developers have to conform, and it looks like their wish will soon be granted. Earlier in 2018, the research company spread some rumors according to which Apple is going to release a second version of the iPhone SE. Their theory also mentioned that the device will be manufactured by one of the company's producers from Taiwan, with drawn in addition the SE2 will be made in a factory from Bangalore, India. Considering this team's success in developing previous handsets, SE fans are anxious to see what the second generation phone from the series would look like. So far, no information is confirmed, although the device was expected to be released this year in September. However, nothing remains a secret in the information era, so most of the SE2 features leaked through various sources. If the new iPhone is released, it will have specs similar to the iPhone 8 and iPhone X. The handset can have great success, especially because the SE was initially released because Apple wanted to offer their users the chance to buy a cheaper iPhone with the same awesome specs as more expensive versions. Now, when the end of 2018 is getting closer, analysts from the tech market say that we might see the iPhone SE2 in the first part of 2019. Let's find out more about the handset's features and why it is similar to other devices released by Apple. According to a Chinese report published this year in February, there are not many differences between the iPhone SE and SE2 when it comes to design. This idea is supported by concept illustrations and leaked photos which represent a part of iPhone SE2's specs. They show some news about the iPhone SE2's display. It looks like it will have 4.2 inches, so it will be larger than its predecessor. Also, the new handset will come with slimmer dimensions. It will have a thickness of 7.3 mm just like iPhone 8. It won't follow the pattern of iPhone 10 and have an all-screen display. SE2's shape will have a classical iPhone shape, so the fingerprint recognition will be supported by the home button situated on the front. A Mako Takara reported presented at the beginning of this year claims that the new iPhone will come without a headphone port. This means that Apple wants to give users a completely wireless device, but the user's reaction to this change still remains to be seen. On the other hand, the color scheme could be seen as an attempt to mark a completely new design idea. The SE2 could be available in the same colors as the iPhone 8, silver, space gray and gold. The screen is another question mark. Like we mentioned before, the SE2 could have a 4.2 inches of screen. It's wider than its predecessor, but the extra size might be given by the reduced bezels. In addition, the home button will be kept within the new iPhone. Another theory is that Apple is planning to introduce a 6.1 LCD TFT screen on this iPhone, which is supported to a low-cost device. However, their plans don't include other high-end phones which will continue to function with OLED screens. SE2's camera is another outstanding spec. The phone could come with a 5MP 7MP FaceTime camera with Retina flash. This update will replace the 1.2MP FaceTime camera found within iPhone SE. Other than this, the new iPhone will have a camera with features like 12 megapixel and f2.2 aperture, no bumps and others. Of course, a system so powerful can only be supported by a strong battery. SE2 accumulator's power has been raised to 1700 mAh. This improvement was necessary because a larger display needs more power. So far, we understood that Face ID recognition means an edge-to-edge screen without home button. However, if they found a way to introduce it in the new iPhone SE, this means that we could also get an emoji and the portrait mode on the selfies made with the front camera. If the company founded by Steve Jobs is planning to introduce completely wireless devices, the battery charging has to be done in the same way as well. If the iPhone SE2, also called 10SE, comes with a glass back panel, the phone could be charged without a cable. Considering the enlarged battery power and and the wide display, wireless charging could be a useful feature. NFC chips allow iPhone users to perform various online operations without worrying about security. Initially, their capacity was limited to payments through Apple Pay, but SE2 might give its owner the possibility to identify other users, access security doors and more. The NFC capability is so secure that even Apple employees use it at internal level. The launch of iPhone SE2 is not confirmed yet, but people were expecting to see the handset this year in September. Until now, Apple hosted two special events, but nothing happened. They didn't mention anything about the new iPhone. In this case, new predictions are made around the SE2's release date. Some analysts say that the handset might be released in the spring of 2019, 3 years after the first SE version was launched. iPhone SE is considered to be a more affordable phone, so it costs around $400. For example, in the United States, the 32GB version costs $399 and the 129GB model can be bought for $499. Even if it launches, iPhone SE2 might not be available everywhere in the world. Recent reports claim that China and India might receive lower-end models with lower prices. This theory was launched by Economic Daily, so it can be true. India will be the first country which gets to see the device. If it comes with a price similar to iPhone SE, we can consider it an option. Unfortunately, we cannot see it as a cheaper iPhone if it will have 6.1 inches LCD screen. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any video from my channel. And if you think I should improve my channel, so don't forget to tell me in the comment section below. And bye bye till the next video.